Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're talking about microfiber towels and more specifically how to care for them, how to maintain them, how to keep them clean, keep them lasting as long as possible. Now you may have heard the term microfiber towel and you're like, what does that even mean? What makes it different than, say, a cotton towel? Well, microfiber is a specific blend of polyester and polyamide, or sometimes nylon, to create a really fine fiber. It's super durable and it's just really good at cleaning. Think of them as little fingers almost, the fibers, and so they're really good at picking things up, whether that's dirt off of a car or just absorbing water. But also if you drop them on the ground, they're really good at grabbing and holding onto leaves and dirt and things like that. And so depending on that blend, whether it's a higher concentrate of polyamide or polyester, it's going to make it a little more absorbent or a little softer. And then they also have different thicknesses. So your GSM or grams per square meter depend on the higher the number, usually the thicker and more plush of a towel it is. And so depending on how soft you want that towel to be, or how absorbent you want it to be, you can kind of change those percentages and the amounts of each for each towel, and thus creating just the right tool for the job that you need. Now, just like any tool that you would use, whether you're working on cars or you're vacuuming your house or whatever job you're doing, microfiber towels are just as important if you're a detailer or working in a body shop or anything like that. And so maintaining your towels is just as important as maintaining any of your equipment that you're using to work on anything else. You want to make sure it's in tip-top shape, that it's performing like you want it to do the job that it's made to do, and you want it to do it well. And the biggest way to make sure these towels are functioning and working like they're supposed to is washing them properly. Now, if you think, cool, I'm just gonna go throw these in the washer on high heat with a bunch of soap, maybe some fabric softener, and get them all clean, throw them in the dryer, crank up the heat, and be good to go, you're actually gonna be doing more harm than good. And so there's a specific way to take care of these towels to make sure that they're lasting the life of what they should last, rather than using them one time and then having to throw them out and buy more towels, saving you some money in the long run, especially when you're buying really nice towels and spending, your hard-earned cash. Now, I want to get this out of the way right off the bat. Do not use these. I repeat, do not use these. These are for your normal clothes or whatever else you want to use them for, but not for your microfiber towels. Sure, they may feel softer, but the fiber is going to be clogged. They're not going to absorb any water or pick up any chemicals or anything like that, and basically rendered useless. So get rid of those softeners, and what you normally want to do is you want to use a free and clear detergent. Now, there's many companies out there that make free and clear detergent that have no fabric softeners and no dyes, no fragrances, nothing like that. That's what you want, because you don't want to put anything back into the towels. You just want to get them nice and clean and ready to use again. Now, you can use any free and clear detergent, or better yet, you can use a microfiber towel specific detergent. And a good example of that is Rags to Riches. It's in collaboration with the Rag Company and made by P&S Detailing. It is really a game changer when it comes to using microfiber towel washes. I've used some stuff in the past and it's worked pretty well, but this is kind of a game changer in the fact that it's made specifically to combat the SiO2 and the chemicals and spray sealants and stuff like that that really begin to clog up towels, because when you use the towels and you add water to it, it actually makes those chemicals cure faster. And so soaking it in this instead is going to stop that adhesion and help keep the towels free and clear of those sealants. So you can get this detergent in a quart container that has the squeeze dosage bit at the top, and then you can also get it in a gallon. I recommend both, so that way you have the gallon to refill this with when it runs out. Directions for this say to use 1 ounce on a normal load of towels that are lightly soiled, or if you have a load that's larger or extra soiled, you can use 2 ounces to give it a little more cleaning power. You can put 1 to 2 ounces of this in a bucket and soak your towels for 24 hours, and you come back out and you will be amazed at how much junk it has pulled out of towels that's just been caked in there that a normal wash won't get out. Especially if you find your towels aren't absorbing like they used to, put them in that bucket, soak them for 24 hours, and you pull them back out and the water in there is just gray and nasty from all the contaminants that's pulled out of the towel. After you soak them for 24 hours, then you can put them in the washer, run them through a cycle, and you'll be amazed at the difference between your towels before and your towels after. To kind of coin the term, as the name says, Rags to Riches, bringing your towels that may be almost on the way out and bringing them back to life to get a lot more use out of them. And so just a really, really fantastic product. One good practice that I like to do is when I get new microfiber towels, I will make sure and I wash them before I ever use them, just to make sure there's not any excess lint. And so just making sure they're free and clear and good to go. And so I'll run them through one time in the washer and I'll dry them and then use them and they're good to go. Another safe practice is to wash the towels separately depending on what their jobs are. And so if I have, say, glass towels, I'll only wash the glass towels together. Or if I'm using drying towels, then I'm only gonna wash the drying towels together. And then if I have a towel that I'm using for, say, a paint sealant as I'm protecting the paint, I'm only gonna wash those towels together because I don't wanna run the risk of cross-contaminating towels in case some of the sealant gets into a different type of towel and then for some reason is rendered useless. One thing I want to make very clear when washing and drying these towels is the lack of heat. Make sure that the water is on cold, and when you go to dry them, they're either on air fluff or delicate depending on your dryer. Or some people like to just hang dry them. They'll lay them out and just let them air dry completely. Kind of up to you and what you feel safe doing with your washer and dryer setup, but making sure that there's no heat really instilled in the towels, so that way you're not running the risk of frying the fibers, the little fingers, and then rendering the towels useless when it comes to using them next time on your car. So what you're going to want to do is come to your washer here, open it up, take your towels that you want to wash, and I like to just kind of open them up, space them out around the washer. Of course, go through them and make sure there's no debris, any sticks or leaves stuck on the towels themselves. Gonna put them all in there. Then what you're gonna do, take your rags to riches here, and we're gonna squeeze out 1 ounce of cleaner. And we're just gonna put that around on top of the towels, like so. Now these aren't overly soiled, so I don't need to put extra. So once you have the door shut, you're gonna go ahead and fire up your washing machine here. I like to put mine on the deep wash because I can turn down the spin cycle more. So we're gonna put it on deep. And you wanna make sure you're washing it on cold. And I turn the spin to low, soil normal. The reason you wanna wash the towels on cold is because any kind of heat, especially if it gets too hot, will singe the fibers and cause them to curl up and then no longer absorb any water or catch the material. And so washing them on cold allows them to still get clean without damaging the fibers. So once we have our settings set, we're gonna go ahead and hit start and let it do its thing. So once your towels are cleaned and they've been washed and now they're ready to dry, go ahead and pull them out of the washer and we'll go ahead and toss them right into the dryer here. Go ahead and shut the door. And now for the drying process, make sure your dryer is turned on. The same thing applies for the drying process, just like the washing. You wanna make sure that the heat is down low or non-existent, so that way you don't run the risk of frying the fibers on the towels. And so I like to put mine on delicate. You can also do air fluff or just air dry. That way you're not running any heat and you can just make sure they're drying very safely. Now, depending on your dryer, the heat temperature may be different. And so for delicate on this one seems to work just fine. So I'll put it on delicate. I'll leave the dry level on normal and the temperature on low. And so we'll leave it there and let it do its thing. Now, sometimes when I pull them out, they may not be fully dry. And so then I'll just lay them out and let them air dry the rest of the way rather than putting back in and running the risk of frying them the second time around because they're less wet. So we'll go ahead and hit play and let it do its thing. So once your towels are washed and dried, then you can go ahead and fold them and put them back in their storage bins, whether they're plastic containers or drawers, or you leave them on a shelf inside your house. No matter where you put them, try to keep them someplace that are airtight so you're not having dust blowing into those containers and getting on your fresh, clean towels. And that's pretty much it. That's all it takes to wash and dry microfiber towels. To maintain them, to keep them in the best shape possible, is to just make sure you're not using any kind of fabric softener, and make sure you're not using much heat at all, and then you're good to go. So I hope you guys found some useful information in this. If you didn't know some of these things already, I encourage you to go check out theragcompany.com. Look at their selection. They have so many different kinds of microfiber towels, whether you're using them to wipe down your car, to clean your house, to clean your face. There are so many out there, and they sell some of the greatest towels at some of the greatest prices. And if you're looking for the perfect detergent for your towels, definitely give Rags to Riches a try. Like I said, this is a collaboration between P&S Detailing and the Rag Company, and it is just an epic product. It is really, really great stuff. And so give it a try. You will notice the difference when washing your towels right away. And so give that a try. But like I said, check everything out at theragcompany.com. Hope you guys found this useful, and I will see you in the next one.